Hello everybody. Today we will take a revision for lesson cell mitosis. Cell mitosis. Let's enjoy learning together. This is like a puzzle for phases of mitosis. Let's think together what is the first phase become maybe to be. The first phase is before mitosis. It's interphase. Before mitosis begins, chromosomes are copied. So we will search for the first phases, interphase, before mitosis begins, chromosomes are copied. This is the first phase. The second phase is a prophase. What happens in the prophase? Mitosis begins. Chromosomes condense from long strands into rod-like structure. This is before rod-like structure. Let's say it together. Where is it? This is a prophase. Then the next phase, Pro-Metaphase. Pro-Metaphase. This is a Pro-Metaphase. Metaphase, what happened in the metaphase? The nuclear membrane is dissolved. Paired chromatids align at the cell equator. Here is a chromatid aligned at the cell equator. So this is a metaphase. What happened in the anaphase? In the anaphase, the chromatids separate and move to the opposite sides of the cell. Let's think together. Which of these three pictures were the chromatids moved to the opposite side of the cell? This is anaphase. Yes, excellent. After anaphase, telophase. The telophase, the nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes, and the chromosomes unwind to mitosis, and mitosis is complete. So this is what happened in this phase. What happened in this phase? In this phase, the nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes, and the chromosomes unwind. Then mitosis is completed. When the mitosis is completed, so the cells complete divided. So the cell is complete divided. This is a revision of mitosis phases. I hope you enjoy with this learning. Thank you and wish you to do high score. Thank you.